Bismillah-r-Rahman-r-Rahim. Good morning, everybody. Our lesson today starts in page 355. Today is March 18, Wednesday, March 18. Before I start my lesson, which is expand and simplify expression. Expand and simplify expression. I want to make you remember very important thing. Do you remember this brackets? I have a plus b. This brackets raised to power 2. You know that anything raised to a power, that's to say, I repeat it multiplying by itself according to the number of the power I have. So this brackets does not equal a square plus b square. Please don't make like this. I said this information more than one time for you, and even this some students solve it wrongly, unfortunately. So if I have brackets a plus b raised to the second power, that's to say the brackets a plus b repeated multiplying by itself 2 times. Okay, so I'll take a multiply a, so it will be a square, and then a multiply b equal ab. I took a, multiply all things inside the second brackets. Then I'll take b, multiply all things in the second bracket. Positive b plus a, positive b multiply positive a, it will be ab or ba. It's allowed you to change the order in multiplication. And b multiply b equal b square. Now I'll collect the like terms. I have a square plus ab and ab equal to ab plus b square. This is the expanding form for this brackets. Or as I said to you before, we can take the first term square and the sign between the two terms for the middle term, then multiply 2, multiply b, multiply a, so it will be 2ab, plus, because the third term must be positive, b square, so it will be the same like this. This is the expand form for a plus b square. Don't forget it, please. The expanding form is 3 terms, as you see. And also, if I have a minus b square, brackets square, so I'll take, I prefer to make it like this. The first square, the sign of the middle, like the sign you see here, minus 2 multiply a multiply b, so it will be 2ab, and the third term must be positive, so it will be b square, so it will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. Or you can make it as 2 brackets multiply with each other, a minus b repeated 2 times multiplication, so a times a equal a square, and then a times negative b equal negative ab, minus b or negative b multiply positive a equal negative ab, and negative b times negative b equal positive b square. Now a square minus 2ab plus b square. 3 terms, the expanding form, 3 terms, as you see here. We will use it in our lesson today, so please don't forget it. Also, do you remember this shape or this case? I have 2 brackets exactly the same, AB and AB, but one positive and one negative. So the answer will be the first square minus the second square. And vice versa. If I found 2 square number difference, so a square minus b square, I can make them or factorize them into a plus b, a minus b. It is important to put positive first and negative? No. It's allowed to change the order in case of multiplication. So don't forget this case also, because I use it today. Our lesson in page 355 expand and simplify expression. If I want to expand and simplify expression like this, 2 plus 3 square root of 2 square, because our chapter related to irrational number. I have brackets raised to the second power. So directly I can say it is 2 plus 3 square root multiply 2 plus 3 square root of 2, like this. Power 2, so the brackets repeated multiplication by itself 2 times, as you see here. Okay. And then I'll take 2, multiply all things inside the second brackets. So 2 multiply 2 and 2 multiply 3 positive 2. 2 positive times 2 positive equal 4. 2 positive times positive 3 square root of 2. So it will be 2 multiply 3 equals 6 square root of 2. I'll take 2 multiply 2. Then I'll take 2 multiply 3 square root of 2. Now I'll take 3 square root of 2 times 2. Positive times positive equal positive. 3 times 2 equals 6 square root of 2. And then positive 3 square root of 2 times positive 3 square root of 2. I'll multiply the number with the number. 3 times 3 equal 9. Square root of 2 times square root of 2 equal just 2. So the answer like this. Let's collect the like terms. I have here 4, here 2 multiply 9 equal 18. So I'll take this 18, add it to 4. And 6 square root of 2, 6 square root of 2, I'll add 6 plus 6 equal 12 square root of 2 plus 18 plus 4 equal 24. So the answer is 12 square root of 2 plus 22, or 22 plus 12 square root of 2. So in such case, I solve it or I expand these brackets regularly. Brackets raised to the second power, that's to say multiply by itself 2 times. Okay, you can take the first number, multiply by all things inside the second brackets, and the second number multiply by all of things inside the second brackets. Or follow what I said before, the first square plus, because we have here positive, 2 multiply 3 square root of 2 multiply 2 plus 3 square root of 2 square. It's up to you, but we have the same idea. Okay, so today expand and simplify expression. Look with me. To simplify expression like this, you have to make 2 steps. The first step is to expand the brackets. The second step is to simplify. To expand the brackets like this, as I explained to you on the board, and then simplify, collect the like terms together. So it will be 22 plus 12 square root of 2. Okay, and these are the rules I explained to you on the board. A plus b square, a minus b square, and if we have a square minus b square, it will be 2 brackets like each other, but one positive and one negative, one positive and one negative. Okay, so this is our lesson today, depending upon expanding and then simplify. I'll take these problems from exercise 4, page 356. Exercise 4, page 356. I'll take number 2, number 4, number 5 from exercise 4 and number 10. So inshallah I'll solve with you from exercise 4, number 2, number 4, number 5, number 10. And from exercise 4 star, I'll solve 5, 7, and 9. Always I try to give you all the ideas in the lesson to be easy to solve the homework alone. Okay, let's start with the first problem, which is number 2, exercise 4, page 3, 5, 6, number 2. Okay, what is the problem? I have 1 minus square root of 3 square. Okay, this is my problem. Easy. I can change it into 2 brackets. 1 minus square root of 3 times 1 minus square root of 3. Change it into factors. Factorize this brackets square. Okay? And then take 1 multiply 1 equal 1. Then 1 multiply negative, so negative. 1 multiply negative square root of 3 equal negative square root of 3. Now, negative square root of 3 multiply 1 equal negative square root of 3. Negative square root of 3 times negative square root of 3 equal positive 3, like this. 1 multiply 1 equal positive 1. 1 multiply negative square root of 3 equal negative square root of 3. Negative square root of 3 multiply 1 equal negative square root of 3. Negative square root of 3 multiply negative square root of 3 equal positive 3, because the square root multiplied by itself equals the number under the square root, as we explained before. Now simplify. 1 is 1. Negative 1 negative square root of 3 and 1 negative square root of 3, so 2 negative square root of 3 plus 3. I can continue to simplify. 1 positive and 3 positive equal 4 positive minus 2 square root of 3, like this. Okay. About me, I prefer to do it as I explained to you before. It will be the first square, 1 square. The sign of the middle will be minus 2 multiply square root of 3 multiply 1. So it will be 2 square root of 3. And square root of 3 square equal 3, like this. The first square minus 2 first, second multiply, and the second square, like this. So it will be 1 minus 2 square root of 3 plus 3. So finally it will be 4 minus 2 square root of 3. This is the answer. Or expand it into 2 brackets and multiply the 2 brackets with each other. Give you the same answer. 4 minus 2 square root of 3. Okay, this is number 2, exercise 4, page 356. I'm still in exercise 4, page 356, number 4. Okay, yes, try solve with me. Open brackets, 3 minus 3 square root of 2 square. Okay, now I'll expand this into 2 brackets. 3 minus 3 square root of 2 times another bracket, 3 minus 3 square root of 2. And then I'll take 3 multiply 3. Let me expand it in front of your eyes. 3 multiply 3. Okay, and the 3 multiply negative 3 square root of 2, it will be negative 3 times 3 square root of 2, like this. And then I'll take negative 3 square root of 2 times 3. Negative times positive equal negative. 3 square root of 2 multiply by 3. And finally, negative 3 square root of 2 times negative square root of 2, it will be positive, and I'll write 3 square root of 2 times, multiply with each other. Now 3 times 3 equal 9, minus 3 times 3 square root of 2, 3 times 3 equal 9 square root of 2, and here 3 multiply 3 equal also 9 square root of 2, and here 3 square is 9 and the square root of 2 square is 2, so 9 times 2 equal 18. Now simplify. I'll take positive 18 with positive 9, it will be 27. And negative 9 plus negative 9 equal negative 18 square root of 2. This is the final answer. So in the beginning, expand and simplify finally. The answer is 27 minus 18 square root of 2.